Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a made-up language. First, consider your language's purpose and the core concepts it needs to express. Next, establish a unique sound system, deciding on the phonemes and how they combine. Then, develop a foundational vocabulary of 50 to 100 essential words. This initial groundwork is crucial for building a coherent and functional linguistic system. Once you have your sounds and basic words, it's time to build the grammar. Design a consistent grammatical structure that dictates how words interact. Determine the fundamental word order, like subject-verb-object or verb-subject-object. Additionally, create clear rules for verb conjugation and noun declension, ensuring your language has a logical and predictable flow for expressing actions and relationships. With grammar in place, expand your lexicon by adding specialized terms relevant to your language's world. Consider developing a unique writing system or script that visually represents your sounds. Importantly, integrate cultural elements into the language's usage, reflecting the values and history of its speakers. This adds depth and authenticity, making your created language feel truly alive and meaningful. Finally, refine your language by testing it. Try translating simple phrases and sentences to identify any inconsistencies or awkward constructions. Seek feedback from others. A fresh perspective can reveal areas for improvement you might have missed. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home. Continuous refinement will help your language evolve into a robust and expressive system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.